In today's video, I'll show you how to turn this into this. Coming up. Hi everyone, my name is Fan Lee, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora studio. If you are newer to French beading and are having problems with making your pointed taps really pointed, keep on watching. Now let me show you these leaves here, and this is what most beginners have problems with. They try to make this pointed top leaf, but they end up looking like this, where it is slightly pointed, but not pointed enough. And today I'm going to show you a little trick. Now with this leaf, notice it kind of looks like this one, but I made this using rounded tops and rounded bottoms, and it kind of looks like this one, right? Even though I use rounded tops. The only difference is I had a bead in between each row. And now, what happens when we actually do try with the one bead in between? You get a leaf that is really pointed. It's more pointed than this one. Now I'm going to show you something. I have a basic frame started with a rounded top, rounded bottom. I'm just going to put a bead on the top here. And I'm going to make my next row with a round top and round bottom. I'm just going to go straight behind and back to the front. And even without trying, it's slightly pointed. I was making a rounded top. So let's try again. And here I'm not even trying to make a pointed top, and you can see that it is slightly pointed. Kind of like this one where I didn't have the bead additions in between each row. So now I have a basic frame started with a pointed top. Now what happens if we actually do try with the one bead in between each row? So having the one bead in between really helps you get that 45-degree angle. See how pointed that is? The extra bead in between the rows serves like training wheels for riding a bike. It guides you into getting practice. We'll call it the training bead. Once you've gotten the hang of making petals or leaves with your training bead, you may find that you might not need it after a while. Let me know in the comments if this video is helpful to you. And here is one of my featured students. Now see you next time.